What's going on, everyone? Tech Me Out here, and in this video I have a package that I got in from OnePlus that I'm going to be unboxing with you all. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this. I'm not going to drag this out because I'm ready to see what their new device or their new flagship looks like in the flesh in my hand. So, all right, first thing we got is this little thing here that says never settle. Now, this is the reviewer's kit. So the retail package will look a little bit different, but this is the reviewer's guide inside here. As excited as I am to read this, I'm gonna hold off and I'm gonna keep going into the package to see what else we have. So the reviewer's guide has lots of information about the new OnePlus 7 Pro, which is great because I'm gonna need to read up on it to learn more about it, but I'm gonna put that to the side for now. So on the left side here, I have the new OnePlus 7 Pro, and then on the right side, I have some Bullet Wireless 2 headphones and a OnePlus travel charger. Nice. All right, let's see what else is in here. Is there anything beneath all this stuff? Let's see. I don't want to miss out on anything. Or maybe, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, you never can be too sure. I think I just destroyed the box. Real quick, I didn't know there were actual cases at the bottom of the box. So yeah, these are those. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Super excited. All right, so we're greeted with, got our welcome. God, this red is so freaking bright. And then we also have the clear case that comes with the phone as well. All right, so this is the new OnePlus 7 Pro. Oh my God. So instantly we're greeted with some information about that in-screen fingerprint reader. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wrapper off and get on in here. Ooh, look at that display, and it's not even on. It's just so much screen. I'm really feeling this nebula blue and you know, how it kind of like transitions from a blue to almost like a shade of purple. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and power this on. In terms of button placement, you have your volume on the left and your ringer switch on the right, along with your power button. This feels really good in hand and it looks good. Oh, I'm so excited to test this out. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side. And in here I also have the power brick. So with the OnePlus 7 Pro, you're gonna have that Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, which in short means super fast speed. It also comes with 12 gigs of RAM and this beautiful 6.67-inch QHD Fluid AMOLED display. Now the camera that we're rocking on this is 48 megapixels. It's a triple camera with an ultra wide angle lens and up to 3 times optical zoom. It also packs a 4,000 milliamp battery, so that should definitely power us all day. Dual stereo speakers. Now, as much as I want to keep talking about this phone, I am running a little bit short on time because I do have somewhere to be, but I wanted to go ahead and at least unbox it on camera with you all because I know I'm gonna be testing this out and I wanted to give you this experience before I gave you that experience. So let's go. All right, I am currently recording this on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is what the front-facing video looks like. It doesn't look bad. Hopefully it doesn't sound bad. I'm gonna be testing this phone out a little bit more over the next couple of days and giving you my thoughts and opinions of it. A little bit earlier today, I went out and went to the park and took some photos and videos and kind of tested the phone out a little bit. Back and forth between. So we have the ultra wide right here, then we have the standard lens right here, and the telephoto. Wow. So I'm gonna take one using each.
Hey people.
Just got our food. All right, so getting a little video at night, like there's no light in here, but I think it still looks pretty decent. When we went in to eat, it was light out, and now it is about It's about to rain, like she said. And it's currently 8:40, so yeah, 8:40. 8:40. And we don't have any light, but I don't think the video looks too bad. This phone, man. Let's talk. I was out running errands and I debated making a video outside, but instead I pulled over and started talking to the camera. So yeah. First thing I want to talk about is the interface. So the interface on this is nice. It's very fluid, and with that 90 hertz refresh rate, everything is responsive. Now, something I really like about Oxygen OS up here is that I don't feel the need to install a launcher, so you can use custom icon packs with Oxygen OS. And although this is a 6.7-inch display, it doesn't feel like it in hand. And I think that leans on the fact that the phone isn't as wide as it is tall. So comparing this to something like, you know, my iPhone XS Max, you can feel the width and the height of that device, and I don't feel that as much with this one. There's even a mode up here called Zen mode that when you enable it, it's going to help you, you know, not become distracted by your phone and actually enjoy your surroundings, whatever's going on around you. Just basically detach you from this extra limb here that we sometimes find ourselves kind of experiencing when it comes to technology. Like, it's amazing to me that it offers so many flagship type features, the features that we find on the phones that cost at least $1,000 or more. But yeah, thus far I feel like you're definitely getting your money's worth. You're getting a really awesome phone for the price. Much respect to OnePlus in giving us a phone in the States that consumers can actually go into the store and buy, that doesn't have a camera or a sensor, you know, cut out within the screen, but instead kind of ejects from the phone. Like, I know I've seen phones like that, but I've never had like a hands-on experience with one. Just like last year, OnePlus brought to us the first phone that had an in-screen fingerprint reader in which you can actually go into the store and buy. They're now offering us a phone with some more innovation and technology that will turn heads. And battery life up here is good thus far. I want to test it more before I give you like an in-depth analysis of it. It has those specs that you typically find on, you know, your iPhone or your Galaxy device that's going to run you about $1,000 or more, but this one is going to cost you. But I'm going to be giving a more detailed review of this phone in a later video, and I'm probably going to touch on the Bullet wireless headphones too within that video as well, so stay tuned for that if you haven't hit subscribe already. Hopefully by the end of this video you feel the need to, or at least the like button. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one. As always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out. So this is a portrait photo on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And now I'm gonna take one on the iPhone just for comparison sakes real quick. But my subject has left again. Zah!